In all honesty, I don't really have a lot of confidence when it comes to firearms. I don't have a lot of experience with guns, handling guns, being around guns. I've never shot a pistol before, and so when it comes to experience, it's probably 1%. I wanted to come to Wyoming Gun Company to take the basic pistol class because I want to become more proficient and comfortable around firearms. Being a woman, if I ever needed to protect myself, I want to be able to do that confidently. Being a woman and being around firearms is pretty intimidating, especially when it's kind of a man's thing. So I'm really excited that Wyoming Gun Company offers just an all-women's pistols class.
All right, so we're gonna go out here to the range desk and we're gonna get your ear protection and eye protection, and we'll get a gun for you, probably a 9mm. And then we'll go out to the range and we will work on the fundamentals of grip and stance and lining up our sights and hitting the target. Hey, I think I want to take 2 because they're small, right? We'll take the easy 9.
Okay.
I'm Wendy Lancaster and I'm here at Wyoming Gun Company. I'm an instructor in the handgun classes here. And today I'm working with Jordan. She's here to learn how to get more comfortable with a gun. We teach these in both co-ed classes and women's only classes. And we teach one-on-one and that sort of thing. So the goal is to take someone who has maybe never fired a gun or only fired a gun a few times, and to get them to be more comfortable and confident in their ability to understand how to handle a gun safely and how to hit the target.
So when we first walked into the firing range, I was very nervous. Wendy went through, she showed me how to load and unload the gun, and then when it was time to actually shoot, she said, "Do you want me to shoot it first?" And I did, of course, because I was scared.
I'm just gonna shoot the cardboard over here because I don't want to mess up your target, okay? So I line up my sights, I press my trigger, straight, flat, back, and hold. I come back onto target, ride the trigger forward, catch the link, then take my finger off the trigger.
So I'm standing there and she fires the gun and I jumped. And it was pretty nerve-wracking, but then it was my turn, and so after a while I started shooting.
Okay, line up those sights and press, and then once your sights are lined up, then you can move your finger to the trigger and then just press straight, flat, back, and hold. Not too much finger, back it off. There you go. Okay, good. Now finger off the trigger.
I think I didn't follow through.
That's fine, that's fine. We'll set it down and then we'll...
I didn't follow through.
It's okay. It's okay. You hit the target.
Oh, that's good. She said I had to shoot it twice in a row, and I did, and I ended up shooting in the same exact spot twice.
And press that trigger straight, flat. Ride it forward, right there, and line up your sights and press again. Yep. Good. Ride it.
In that moment, I had those 2 shots, and I felt like I learned something. And in that moment, I got the confidence to want to come back and try again.